Welcome back, and today we're going to be drawing flowers. Let's get started. So let's first start off by drawing 2 circles for our flowers. I'm going to draw one right here. And I'm going to draw the next one after I finish the petals. But we're going to draw 2 flowers and they're going to be overlapping each other. Let's get started. So first, I drew my circle and I'm going to make a 5-petal flower. So I'm going to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is to guide me for drawing my petals so I have equal number of spaces between them. So now I'm going to make a heart-shaped petal. When I go from here, you go all the way and make a little bump. It almost looks like a heart. Do the same thing for the next side. You can make them as big or as small as you want to cover more of your paper or less of your paper. So we're going to go over all of them and make a little bump in the middle and close it. There we go, our first flower is finished. So to add a little bit of details, I'm just going to add like a line coming out of each of them to add a little depth in our picture, and then add some dots in the center. And now I'm going to make my next flower. I'm going to make it somewhat close to this flower so it looks like they overlap. I'm going to put it right here. Like that. And now I'm going to draw my 5 lines like I did previously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And connect it with flowers with heart-shaped petals. You go up, make a bump, and then bring it down. So, and I'm also overlapping it here, so I'm drawing as much as I could, and then I'm going to continue after the other flower goes away. Like that. And then like I did last time, I'm going to draw dots in the middle and draw lines coming out of it. And then I'm going to create some leaves to show a little bit of more detail and to make my picture look more complete. I'm going to add 4 leaves. I'm going to add one right here. Draw a leaf. I'm just going to go to this out and then come in. And do the same thing here. You're going to go out and then come in. Leaves can be any shape, and most shapes just work really nicely. And do the same thing for this side. I'm going to add a leaf over here. And little twigs coming in between little lines. I'm going to add one to our right over here. And then one on this side. You guys can definitely add a lot of leaves, little leaves, and you guys can definitely change up the number of petals and the shape of the petals you put. You guys can make more flowers to make the page fill the whole page up. But that's all I'm going to be doing for my flowers. I made 2 flowers and a couple leaves. Now let's get coloring. So for my coloring, I'm gonna be making, I'm gonna make these 2 flowers different colors. So I'm using pink for this one and yellow for this one, and then coloring the leaves in green. So let's start coloring. So that's all for our flowers, drawing, and coloring. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and thank you for watching.